IIHS developed the updated side crash test after research showed that many of the real-world side impacts that still account for nearly a quarter of passenger vehicle occupant fatalities are more severe than the original evaluation. The updated side crash test uses a heavier barrier traveling at a higher speed to simulate the striking vehicle. The new barrier weighs 4,200 pounds, close to the weight of today's midsize SUVs, and strikes the test vehicle at 37 miles per hour, compared with a 3,300-pound barrier traveling at 31 miles per hour in the original evaluation. For now, the updated test is not included in the IIHS award criteria. However, starting in 2023, a good or acceptable rating will be required for the lower-tier Top Safety Pick award and a good rating will be needed for the higher-tier Top Safety Pick Plus. Thanks for watching Cars and SUVs. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one.